Hi Dr. Srirao. How important is MRI compatibility while choosing a cochlear implant? Inside every cochlear implant, there's a small magnet. This magnet helps the external sound processor to hold in place on the head. But here's something many people do not know. If your child ever needs an MRI scan, this tiny magnet can become a big problem. In older or basic implants, the magnet can get pulled or twisted by the strong MRI machine, just similar to a pacemaker which is used in the heart. And this can cause severe pain, swelling, or even damage to the implant that is surgically placed by me. In fact, in many cases, the magnet has to be surgically removed before an MRI scan and then replace it afterward. That means extra surgeries, extra anesthesia, and also stress for your child. But Advanced Bionics has found a smart solution for this, the Ultra 3D Cochlear Implant. This implant uses a special 3D rotatable magnet. Unlike traditional magnets, this one can freely rotate in all the directions so that it naturally aligns with the MRI machine. Each magnet is composed of 4 rotatable magnetic rods encased in a revolving disc that allows magnet to provide alignment with the MRI field in all 3 dimensions. So they literally rotate with the variations of the magnetic field created during an MRI, and it is safe up to 3 Tesla. What does this mean for you and your child? Your child can safely undergo MRI scans up to 3 Tesla, which is the highest strength used in the hospitals. There's no need to remove the magnet, no extra surgeries, no head bandages, and no discomfort. It's completely MRI safe and stress-free. Children with cochlear implants often need multiple MRIs as they grow, whether for neurological evaluations, developmental assessments, or even other medical conditions. Choosing an implant like the Ultra 3D from Advanced Bionics means your child will be ready for any medical needs in the future without going through repeated surgeries. At Dr. Rao's ENT Cochlear Implant Center, we use the most advanced and safest technology available because we believe your child deserves the best. If you are considering a cochlear implant for your child, ask about MRI compatibility. It's a small choice that makes a big difference in the long run. If you have any questions regarding hearing or cochlear implants, feel free to drop them in the comment section below or reach out to our team. We are always here to guide you. Thank you. Namaste.